us through how to work around the gender. You said there is a way you can get a male, and there is a way you can get a female if you choose. So you know those things you used to hear from your auntie, your uncles, your aunties, the positions, the what. I mean,
this is the wrong hour for this discussion.
I know,
I'll touch on something.
Yes, touch on it as we say goodbye.
Now, the first thing, like I said, we have studied the features, you know, the kinetic features of the X and Y, and we found that if you want, for example, a boy, try it on the 13th day of your cycle, the 13th day of the cycle.
Right.
There are several other factors. Time it such that it is exactly the 14th day minus 12 hours.
Yes.
Even if he's at job, call him. He should be, if you want a boy, work for it, you know.
Yeah.
And there are certain minerals. We have a product called Medvitam, which accelerates a boy. The other one is, this one is delicate, because for a boy, the sperms must be sort of deposited deep inside. For a girl, it should be as shallow as possible.
Okay.
We're now being a bit vulgar, but you'll allow this program that for boys, the deeper ejaculation is more favorable. Okay. There is a pH issue, which is a bit delicate, and I don't want to go to douching.
Okay.
And we are saying that for a girl, there should for a girl the coitus and the meeting the partners meeting should be sort of continuous. 14th, 15th, and 16th day. For a boy, I insisted it is 13th day, and I said count 14 days minus 12 hours.
Wow.
And finally, the man.
Yes.
There is this belief that the more times you do coitus, the higher the chance. Absolutely not. In fact, for a boy, the man should abstain from any ejaculation for 5 days to accumulate the total volume. Boys like a bigger volume. Finally, the man must wear, avoid heat around his reproductive system. Don't go to those saunas. Don't wear those tight innerwear. Release. That's why God hung this thing so that they may be as free as possible.